Well, US President Donald Trump says he's open to attracting one kind of immigrant: people with money. In a major announcement, Trump and his Commerce Secretary have revealed plans for a brand new immigration program called the Gold Card. And this program would allow foreign nationals to buy legal residency in the United States for a hefty price, about $5 million. And it could replace the controversial EB-5 visa program, which has been criticized for years due to fraud and also a lack of oversight. But here's the catch. This is not just about investing in projects, it's about paying directly to the US government. Trump described the Gold Card as not just a route to residency, but as an upgraded green card, offering privileges beyond what the existing system provides. And yes, wealthy people will be at the center of this plan. But that's not all. Trump hinted that corporations could also purchase green cards for their top employees, including those with exceptional skills or educational backgrounds, essentially making this a fast track to citizenship for the best and the brightest, if they can pay up. Trump's Commerce Secretary, who has been vocal about the inefficiency of the current EB-5 program in the US, has called this new plan a much-needed fix, one that would create world-class global citizens, people who can contribute to the US economy and apparently fill its coffers. But what about the risk? Critics say this program could turn the US into a destination only for the rich, potentially sidelining the working-class immigrants who contribute so much to that country. Plus, there's no word yet on whether these gold card holders will be required to create jobs, which is a key component of the EB-5. And in a twist, Trump even floated the idea of selling up to 10 million gold cards as a way to reduce the national deficit, which is a move that could make waves across the globe. And yes, he even suggested Russian oligarchs might be eligible, causing an uproar over potential ties to controversial figures.